Hello everybody, I'm Jala. Welcome back to my channel. Do you enjoy eating out? Let's talk about it. When I have no time for cooking, or sometimes I just want to eat something new or different, I eat out. I don't usually prefer eating out, but it works when I feel a little bit depressed. I don't usually book a table. I usually eat with my family. When I arrive at the restaurant, the waiter greets us politely, and I prefer a non-smoking table. In nasty weather, I prefer eating indoors. The waiter gives us the menu and asks, smiling, "Would you like to start with a drink?" I always say yes, I'd like a glass of water while I decide on my food, my order. After 5 minutes, the waiter asks again, "Are you ready to order? What would you like for starter, appetizer?" Starter is the first course of the meal, small portions of food. It's served either hot or cold. If the restaurant is new for me, if it's my first visit to that restaurant, I always ask the waiter, "What would you recommend? What are the specialties?" to find out what the most famous dishes are at that restaurant. The waiter gives us information about that day's specials. I usually prefer soup for the first course. When I am ready, I order my meal. I get advice from the waiter about what beverage goes well with the meals to make sure they taste great together. As I have allergy, I ask the waiter what the meals contain. I want to know about the ingredients to find out if it's okay for me to eat. I like all the meals, but if I am in a restaurant, I want to taste something new. I order starter, main course, side dish, dessert. Main course, it's the main part of the meal, medium to large portions of food. It's also served either hot or cold. Side dish is a small portion of food, typically bread, salad, vegetables in sauce that you eat with the main course. Dessert is the last course of a meal, typically a sweet dish such as a cake or ice cream. After I have finished the meal, I catch the waiter's attention. I ask the bill. When I am with my friends, I treat them, pay for everyone, or sometimes I split the bill. I usually reserve a table for 3 or 5 because I never go to a restaurant alone. If the restaurant fulfills my requirements, if it makes a pleasant impression on me, I go to that restaurant again. I usually leave a tip for the waiter. It's money for his good service. And what about you? Do you like eating out? How often do you eat out? Write your answers in the comments and see you next time. Take care.